Are you a Clickbank affiliate marketing beginner? Then this video is for you. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make money on Clickbank. Brand new method, guys, never seen before. This will give you guaranteed sale if you're not making the sales till now with Clickbank. So if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion. My name is Raj. I'm uploading videos on every Monday and Thursday. And here you can check my playlist with free traffic as well as with paid traffic. This videos will definitely going to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Make sure you put the bell notification so that you can get my videos on time. So in this free traffic method, the first thing is, guys, getting a product, right? We need a product. So we'll get into the marketplace of Clickbank here. And here you can see we have a huge categories here. You can select from your niche. Right now, I will get into this spiritual niche. And here you can see there is a product called numerology. You can go by rank, or you can also go by gravity. Gravity means a lot of product people are promoting this product, but that doesn't mean that you're going to make a sale with that. Okay, maybe people are getting a lot of refunds. Nobody knows that. Okay, gravity means only people are promoting a lot. So it is better to get into gravity, which is between 40 or 50 like that, or maybe a new product. Okay, or you can also go by the rank, which is very good. Here you can see there is a product called bioenergy code. Okay, so this seems a good product here. And here you can see with average conversion you can make like $65 if you promote this product here. So now let's check their affiliate page here. You can check their highest converting landing page and all those things, high converting landing page. Because we are going to use the free traffic, so we don't need to put a lot of effort on this, selecting the product. Just the product is good, then we can go with this. Okay, so for example, I'm taking this is the product. You can do this method in any niche, guys, with any category, whatever the category you are, you can use this free traffic strategy. Now we have to create a landing page for it, and not a general landing page. We are going to create, guys, quiz lander here. It's a completely free tool called tryinteract.com. This is the quiz landing page, which is completely free to make. So here you can see they have like 14 days free trial on their paid one, which you will get like 14 days, and then you can upgrade for $17. But you don't need to go for this. You can just sign up for free one here. Look at this. It's a lifetime free. Okay, sign up here, and here you're gonna see like unlimited quiz you can create and publish and share in a paid traffic as well as, guys, in a free traffic. Because, guys, Quizlander convert like crazy. Okay, so now once if you make your account, you will be here this will be your dashboard. Here you can see some of the Quizlander which I have created. Just let me show you some of the preview here. So this is amazing Quizlander, which you can create and promote with the free traffic. So now let me show you how you're going to do this. So now, guys, click here in the top, create a new quiz. So here you have to select your goal or the category, For example, guys, here you can see audience research, generate lead. If you want to generate the lead, or just want to check their IQs, all these things are here, They have given you a lot of pre-made this thing. You can just click here and you can start editing this one here. But if you want to create a scratch, which we're going to do here, select here, start from scratch. Now you'll get three important things, assessment, personality, score. It's all up to you. Because we are promoting an affiliate offer, we will go by personality one. Okay, once if you click this one here, so here you can see this will be the cover, in the top you can see. Okay, so this is the cover page. Here comes your headline, your images, and call to action, all of these. Here we will add the questions, and we will add the affiliate link also. Okay, but before that, let me give you the copywriting. Let me give you the thing which you have to keep in mind while creating any landing page, especially with Quizlander. So the 5 questions which you have to ask yourself before you create a quiz landing page is what the responder gets in return for completing the quiz. You have to be very clear, guys, that once they will complete the quiz, what they're gonna get. Okay, then does it offer awesome visual? You have to add the visuals, guys, here that I'm going to show you here in every questions as well as in cover. Then, guys, does it have a compiling headline, which is very important, guys. In the cover page, you have to give the headline as well as your question should be engaging, okay, and relevant. Does it have a strong call to action button? That is very important. Then at the end, guys, Does it have a personal touch? Okay, these are the 5 things which you have to keep in mind. Every Quizlander you have to create like you are talking to one individual. So now if you click here in the cover, so here in the headline guys, you have to take this short quiz to see what may be stopping the universe from manifesting health, love, happiness in your life. Okay, this is relevant to this offer. So if you're promoting weight loss or spiritual, this convert very very well, Quizlander, right? So you have to create this. You have to create a engaging headline which interact or hook the audience. Then guys, here comes the image. Image is very very important here guys. Just click this one here. So now here guys, you're going to get a free images. They are already tie up with Unsplash, which is a large collection of free images and paid images. So you can type the relevant image. If it is a weight loss or something, you can type like that, or you can type like meditation. You can see these are all the free images. Okay, so for example, let me select this one here, and now you have to crop and save. Okay, so here you can see you got the images here. Next is you can type here the description. Just removing this here, and here you can see the universe has a funny ways of leading you to where you need to be, and this quiz can be one of them. Okay, you have to come create like this, right? This is completely up to you how you're creating in an ad. Then guys, you have a question here. Click here in the top right question, and now you have to add the questions one by one, right? This is the question number 1. You can hide the image if you want. You can add the images. Now in the top guys, again you have to write the questions. Questions are very very important guys. If your questions are not relevant, then you will not take your audience to the offer, right? Have you ever got the law of attraction or manifestation to work? Okay, because I'm into this niche, I know this. And then you can type yes or no or whatever the this thing, right? You can type here. Okay, you can add if you want. You can add one more questions. If you don't want, just delete this. Okay, then you can add question number 2 like this here guys, right? So I already have it, that's why. So now if you're looking for image, make sure your question and the images match, because that's how you will get more interaction, right? This one here, okay, and crop, and that's it, right? And then you can put the answer yes or no, whatever it is, right? This all up to you. Okay, and then guys, you can add in the top again, add a new questions. Again you can do this, right, and adding more and more questions here. Okay, and at the end guy, once if you added, keep it the questions like somewhere between 5 to 7. That is enough. Okay, you don't need many questions, right? And then guys, once if you added your all questions guys, then at the end you have to insert your affiliate link. For that guys, you have to select result page. Okay, click here results. You can add many result number 1, 2, but you just need one only. You will write your headline something like that. This is completely up to you. Like after analyzing the quiz, we reach the conclusion that you have to unlock the manifestation block. I will send you to a secret video which will help you to unlock the manifestation block, right, to manifest unlimited health, wealth and love. Okay, and again if you want an image, right, this one is looking good, right? And you can select right, say crop and save. And then guys, you can write little bit description here like this here guys. You can change the font color. You can keep different colors, red, black, whatever you want. You can also select the different fonts if you want. You can see this font over here, right? And you can select whatever the fonts you want. That's up to you completely. Once if you created this guys, now the call to action, which is very very important. Here you're going to say watch the video to manifest abundance. And now guys, here you can see watch the video to manifest abundance. Now you have to select this one here, URL. Here you have to insert your affiliate link, or if you want you can send them to another landing page. For example, let me go here and let me select this the URL for example, and generate hope links, and then you can insert your affiliate link here, right? Save. That's it. So, and once you're done, once if you check, right, you can again check this entire whether it is done or not. Once it is done guys, then you have to click in the top. You can also see the preview by clicking here. This will show you the previews, right? If you want to make some changes, you can make the changes here. So then in the top guys, click here publish, and in the publish guys, here you can see you have 2 options, upgrade and publish. Then you have a publish as is, right? So click here, right, publish as is, because you're using the free one. So now you can see guys, you're going to get this link here, right? You can copy this link. You will get the code if you're promoting with website and pop up if you want, or with the Facebook ad also. In the ad guys, it will look like this. That's what I use this more with Facebook ad. It's a safe to use with Facebook ad with your own domain. And now we will shorten this link, but let me show you one of the Quizlander which I already made. This will be your quiz. Okay, take this short quiz to see what may be stopping you from love, health, and happiness in your life, right? And then they will click here, take the quiz now. Have you ever got the law of attraction? These all questions are very, very important. Then they will select this no. Then do you know what you're trying to manifest? Yes, I am clear. How in tune do you feel with the universe? I feel disconnected. Has the universe manifested money into the life, right? Look at this. If I'm asking the questions, I have the right relevant images is very, very important. No. Then have you met your soulmate in this life yet? The answer is no. Then guys, they will be landed here. Okay, after the analyzing the quiz, we reach in the conclusion, and then guys, there is an image. Then I'm asking them to watch this video. Discover in this secret video how to manifest health, wealth, love, and practically anything else you desire with simple yet incredible method. If they click guys, they will go to the offer. So make sure guys you're editing this link with bit.ly so that you can track the clicks. Let's use the free traffic. For free traffic guys, you can use any free traffic which you're using, maybe Pinterest or Facebook group. I have a playlist for all of those like shorts. Then guys, you can find any of the good groups, right, which will allow you to post public group like this here. And this is like manifesting abundance. And then guys, you can create a image like this. Okay, take this shot to see what may be stopping you from your love, health, and happiness. You can upload this over here, right, images and all. And in the top guys, I'm going to write like this. Okay, take this short quiz to see what may be stopping you from love, health, and happiness in your life, right? And then you can give your links and you can post over here guys. And if they click in this link guys, they will go to this quiz, and they will take this quiz. And if your quiz is good guys, it will bring you very good, right, conversion, like how I am getting the good conversion with this. Hope guys you're gonna love this tool and strategy. If you really like this strategy guys, if you're really gonna use, then guys smash the like button guys. Like this video. Your likes and your comments are very, very important. How do you see this method, right? And let me know in the comment guys. Like, share, and if you are new, subscribe my channel guys. And before you go guys, watch this playlist. This playlist have full of free traffic strategy which will help you to make some Clickbank money fast.